Field. I brought my P51 and I just took it up for the first time. It did pretty well. It was running a little lean, so I richened it out a little bit. And what we're going to look at now is Dan and his pizza box airplane. Dan, you want to tell us about the airplane?
It's a pizza box powered by a Thunder Tiger 42.
So it's actually made from a pizza box.
Corrugated plastic, Corplast.
Yeah, okay.
Corplast.
Yeah.
We use them for combat. I think it's too nice to have combat.
Yeah. Nice. How long ago did you build this?
This is about 3 years.
3 years old.
And in the wintertime, there's skis on it.
Oh, nice.
Bow.
Oh, nice. So what's the worst amount of damage you've done to it?
Broken prop.
Is that what just happened?
That's what just happened.
Really, really? Wow. So you've never had to replace the actual pizza box?
No.
No. Pretty durable.
Yeah, we'll put a new prop on, we'll get it up again.
What size prop you got on there?
10.6.
10.6. Nice.
Exhaust out the bottom to keep it clean.
Oh, nice. Nice flight.